again, guys. This is the time of the month that I'm opening the Harper-Liversidge jewelry subscription box. So as we open up, it looks like this on the inside. We've got, should be the 3 pieces of jewelry in here and a little bit of the confetti. Our first product is this bracelet. It's really fine, it's really light. It just like slips between my hands just like a little snake. I really love the like helix look that it has on it, you know, like a little DNA bracelet, so to say. I'll see if I can pop it on because it has this little weird clasp that I've never seen before, which is pretty intriguing. So putting that on was done with like great difficulty. So I don't know if you can see like the little clasp bit there. I had to really open that bit up, the bit that's open. I had to really open that up to thread it through the hoop. And obviously like doing it like kind of one-handed, it was difficult to, I had to like undo it before putting it on, thread it through it, and then try and put it back together again. But again, doing that with one hand is like not squishing back properly, if that's the right terminology. But then obviously I'm going to be afraid that that's just going to drop off when I move my arm about during the day. So we have a necklace, which I really like. I really like the simplicity of it. It's got a really nice chain to it. We have like, this is your clasp. And then let's have a look at the little detail. There we go. Nice and simple. I don't know if you can see like red marks on my wrist, like here. That's like from that bracelet, like trying to put it on and off, so it's not great. So I opened this next bag, which is a pair of earrings, which looks like this. Obviously this looks kind of interesting because you've got like the 2, it's gold and silver. As much as I love the design, I don't think these are a pair of earrings that suit me. You win some, you lose some. So there we have our 3 lots of jewelry from this month's box. The bracelet I'm not a big fan of, just because like it caused that redness and it was like very difficult to put on and off, and I'd be worried to like wear it, to be honest, in case of it falling off. It's probably like a 2-man job. This necklace is a keeper because it's so simple and beautiful, and is one of those like feel-good pieces. The earrings I would have kept if they suited me. That's just one of those things that happens, isn't it? Thank you for watching this video again, and please subscribe. Did you hear my dog then? Please subscribe and you'll see me soon.